Hey there, fellow YouTube enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into a groundbreaking development in the world of healthcare, the FDA's approval of the first mRNA flu shot, mFlusiva, developed by Moderna. Now, this isn't just any ordinary flu vaccine, it's a game changer, and I'm here to break down why. So, buckle up, because we are about to embark on a journey through the fascinating world of mRNA technology and its potential to revolutionize flu prevention. Let's get started. First things first, what's the big deal about mRNA vaccines? Well, in my opinion, it's all about speed and precision. Unlike traditional vaccines, which take months to develop and often rely on guesswork when it comes to selecting the right strain, mRNA vaccines are like the Swift code of the vaccine world. They can be manufactured rapidly, allowing scientists to keep up with the ever-changing influenza strains. Imagine having the ability to produce a vaccine in just 2 to 3 months, compared to the 6-month lag time for conventional vaccines. That's a huge deal, especially when you consider the impact of the flu on our society. Every year, hundreds of thousands of people end up in the hospital due to the flu, and tens of thousands lose their lives. So, the faster we can develop and deploy vaccines, the better. Now, let's talk about the numbers. In a late-stage clinical trial, mFlusiva demonstrated a 27% improvement in effectiveness compared to the standard flu shot. That's a significant leap, and it's not something to be taken lightly. But here's the catch. Even with this impressive performance, the FDA's approval wasn't a sure thing. You see, there's a political undercurrent at play here. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr., an anti-vaccine activist, has been vocal in his criticism of mRNA technology, calling the COVID vaccines the deadliest ever made. Last year, his department cancelled nearly $500 million in funding for mRNA vaccine research. So, the FDA's initial reluctance to review Moderna's application, followed by their eventual reversal, highlights the complex interplay between politics and scientific progress. But let's not forget the science. The FDA's Independent Vaccine Advisory Committee unanimously recommended approving mFlusiva, based on a late-stage clinical trial involving over 40,000 older adults across 11 countries. While side effects were more common in the mFlusiva group, they were still mild to moderate. This trial design, which compared the vaccine to a standard flu shot in adults 65 and older, was a crucial factor in the FDA's decision. After all, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommends a high-dose flu vaccine for this age group. Now, here's where things get interesting. A combination flu and COVID vaccine from Moderna, also using mRNA technology, was approved by the European Union in April. But get this, Moderna withdrew its application for US approval for that shot last year, despite positive late-stage trial results. Why? Well, that's a story for another day. But it does raise questions about the consistency of regulatory processes and the impact of political pressures on scientific advancements. So, what does this mean for the future of flu prevention? Well, in my opinion, it's a double-edged sword. On one hand, mFlusiva's approval is a significant milestone, offering hope for a more effective and rapidly deployable flu vaccine. But on the other hand, the lack of formal recommendation from the CDC's Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices, ACIP, due to a federal judge's block raises concerns about insurance coverage and public distribution. After all, private insurers typically cover only ACIP-recommended shots, and federal programs like Vaccines for Children and Medicaid rely on ACIP's guidance. In conclusion, the FDA's approval of mFlusiva is a major step forward in the fight against the flu. It showcases the potential of mRNA technology to revolutionize vaccine development and deployment. But it also highlights the challenges we face in navigating the complex interplay between politics, science, and public health. So, what do you think? Is this the future of flu prevention, or are there other factors at play that could impact its widespread adoption? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.